Story Nest.
Rosie the robot, with her gleaming metallic body and bright blue optical sensors, carefully adjusted a tiny gear on a contraption made of colorful wires and blinking lights. Beside her, Max the monkey, his brown fur slightly dusted with oil, chattered excitedly as he held up a newly polished brass lever. Their magical workshop buzzed with energy. Tools floated in mid-air, blueprints shimmered on translucent screens, and half-finished inventions whirred and clicked with potential. Today's project, a self-folding laundry basket powered by Giggles. Max, ever the playful one, couldn't resist testing a spring-loaded boxing glove attached to a robotic arm. It shot out with a soft thwack, narrowly missing a stack of oversized crayons. Rosie chuckled, her metallic voice a melodic hum. "Careful, Max. We don't want to have to invent a self-cleaning crayon spill remover just yet." She then turned her attention back to the laundry basket, her fingers deftly soldering a connection. Suddenly, a loud pop echoed through the workshop, followed by a cloud of rainbow-colored smoke. Max yelped and jumped onto Rosie's shoulder. "What was that?" Rosie, unfazed, calmly examined a smoking widget on the laundry basket. "Just a minor miscalculation in the Giggle collection chamber. It seems we need a more robust containment unit." Undeterred, Rosie and Max worked together. Rosie reprogrammed a small drone to collect laughter samples, while Max fashioned a sturdy bell-shaped jar out of recycled bubblegum containers. After a few more tweaks and adjustments, they were ready for another test. This time, when a burst of Giggles was directed into the basket, it smoothly folded itself into a neat, compact square. Rosie and Max exchanged a triumphant high five, Rosie's metallic hand clanking against Max's furry one. Their magical workshop was once again filled with the quiet hum of successful invention, ready for their next amazing creation. Perhaps a self-stirring soup pot, or maybe even a flying banana peeling machine.